If I deeply consider of the situation in the Horn, not today or yesterday, but in this background, I don't believe it is wise to continue to fight. We have been living in a situation of tension for long years. Thousands or millions died for this. So I think it is wise to find or endeavor a solution different from rifles shouting. So that is why we were trying through Africans and also European to search for a better understanding. After all, in this Horn of Africa, God have made us all live. Therefore, I don't think it's intelligent or wise to continue to fight and face one to another kind of false proudness or self-proudness or arrogance, but to try and search a better solution, a solution, political solution, long-lasting, and justice on the matter which is the root of the problem. Therefore, we are for peace. I'm certain that if I know the mentality of Ethiopian, they will take it as a weakness. It's not at all weakness. They were trying for 4 years now to invade Somalia, to bombard Somalia, but still they gain not too much, certainly. And they will never gain too much out of it.